Ayo, what's up mga tutubi and welcome back to another portrait vlog. For today's video, I would like to share to you how I wear my mermaid tail. And as of the moment, I am taking a video of the foods that we have prepared for Papa's death anniversary. Yan, hindi mawawalan chichirya and drinks. And hello, morning! And isinulat namin sa cake is kakaiba this time. Parang hindi pa ako nakakita ng sumulat nito. So, ayan, House Heaven, Papa Roy. Kasi it's his first year. That is the venue. And as you can see, may ibang tao aside sa amin. That is also the big pool. And on the other side of that, binibuild pa po yung kiddie pool. Pero mababaw lang yung big pool. That is me, showing off my OOTD. And here are my Ligo essentials, goggles, and my mermaid fin. And syempre hindi natin makakalimutan yung tela or my mermaid tail. Ayan, Finding Nemo. So ang gagawin natin dyan ay ipasok natin itong mermaid fin na nakatali na according sa size ng pako sa edge ng mermaid tail. So i-open mo lang yan, naka-magic tape lang yan. So papakita ko paano. Ayan, napasok na, and then i-close mo lang. Usually matatanggal yan during pagbihis mo, pero i-close mo lang ulit. Yan na siya. And gumagamit kasi ako ng goggles kasi hindi naman ako nakakadilat sa tubig. And pakita ko lang yung ibang foods na additional. Akala ko may laman yung Tupperware kaya ko yung binuksan. So, ayan, si Troy, dumating na sila kasi exam nila and pinapunta na rin namin sila lahat dyan. Kasi after yan ng exam nila. And that is how I wear my mermaid tail. So, let's do fast forward after nito kasi parang kinakramps ako dyan kaya ako natagalan. Ayan yung sinasabi kong natatanggal siya, kaya ayusin lang natin ulit. And then, kapag walang tao, actually tumatayo ako kapag sinusuot ko yan kasi ang hirap kapag nakaupo. Pero may tao pa kasi kaya, ayan, tis-tis muna tayo sa pag-uupo. And usually, I wear shorts talaga kapag gumagamit yan. Kasi pag suot mo yan, medyo manipis na siya eh. Nakita na siya sa loob. And ayan, nakasuot na yung butanding. Ayan, ang ganda niya tingnan sa tubig. Oh, look. Parang true. Ayan, mermaid na may 4 na mata. So, at the end of this video, I'm going to show to you how I swim using my mermaid tail. Flex ko lang. And since hindi ako nakakadilat sa tubig, ayan, I reach out for it. Yeah! Pero, medyo mahaba na rin yung time na nahuhold ko yung hangin sa ilalim ng tubig. Kaya, medyo matapos ko rin yung half ng pool. Nakaka-proud lang kasi hindi naman ako lagi nagliligo sa pool, no? At saka sa dagat. Here is human versus half mermaid. Yeah, parang true. At dahil di ako tumatayo kapag wini-wear ko siya, ayan, napunit tuloy. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. This is Toby Girl. Prayers and peace. Bye! See you in the next vlog!